Hi everyone! Thanks so much for joining me today on GS NYPENN Live. I'm Lisa and I am a Community Recruitment Manager with Girl Scouts and NYPENN Pathways. If you don't know where Girl Scouts and NYPENN Pathways is located, we're a Girl Scout Council located in upstate New York, and we serve 24 counties in New York State and 2 in Pennsylvania. I'm so excited to be here today. We're going to be cooking with Girl Scout cookies, and we're going to make a recipe using Girl Scout cookies and some other ingredients. Now, I would guess that most people know what the Girl Scout Cookie Program is, and most everyone knows that every year Girl Scouts go out and sell cookies in their communities, and they're doing that to earn money for troop activities and troop trips. And most people know about our most popular Girl Scout cookie varieties, like our Thin Mints and our Tagalongs and our Samoas, which, by the way, are my personal favorite. What people may not know about the Girl Scout Cookie Program is that it is a lot more than just selling. For example, did you know that the Girl Scout program teaches girls 5 skills? Yep, 5. That's right, 5. And one of those things is that girls are learning goal setting. So what, you say? Well, by setting cookie goals in their troops and individually, girls are learning the process of goal setting and how to reach them. And that can help them in school. It can help them in a future career. It can help them in life in general. So enough talking and more cooking. So today we are going to make ice cream sandwiches using Girl Scout cookies. And I chose Thin Mints. And I chose mint chocolate chip ice cream. Now, you could choose whatever variety of cookie is your favorite. You can choose whatever flavor of ice cream is your favorite. I think you could make these with trefoils and strawberry ice cream. I think that would be really delicious. Maybe you want trefoils and a peanut butter ice cream. That would be fantastic. So you can choose whatever variety of cookie that you like and whatever variety of ice cream that you like. But I am doing Thin Mints and mint chocolate chip ice cream. So we're going to take our cookies and we're going to get some out on a plate. And it's probably a good idea to put your ice cream out a little bit early so it has time to soften up a bit, which I did already. And so we are going to scoop some ice cream and we are going to put that on that cookie and make a couple ice cream sandwiches. So leave me some comments while making these. If you want to leave me some comments down below, down there, about what kind of cookie, Girl Scout cookie is your favorite. I would love to know. I would also love to hear about whether you all tried to make this recipe at home and what you thought, how it came out, whether your family liked it. Did your mom or dad or grandma or brothers or sisters that you might have, did they like it? And what they liked about it. I would love to hear that. So please leave me some comments down below. And I'm just going to wash my hands. Again, now when we're cooking, we always wash our hands before we cook, which I did before I turned on this video. But afterwards, I need to wash them again. So they're not so sticky. And you can sing a song while you're washing. All right. So we have our Girl Scout cookie ice cream sandwiches. And I think the best part of cooking with Girl Scout cookies is eating them. So now we're going to try them. And they're great, just like I thought they'd be. So don't forget, leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite cookie is. Tell me what your favorite ice cream is. Tell me what your favorite combo is. What did you think? And if you have ideas about other recipes I can make, pop it in the comments, and I will try to make it for you again sometime. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to check back daily for all the different virtual programming options that we have for you at Girl Scouts and NYPENN Pathways, and stay well, everyone. Bye.